Hello, and welcome to the letter M. M stands for macroeconomics. Yay! M stands for Monday. No economics. M stands for midnight, which we all know we'll be studying till then. But it also stands for money. Money, money, money. Money. And this is money in banking. We use money for a lot of things. Tuition, coffee, parking tickets. Thank goodness for money. Where did it all begin, though? For this presentation, we'll start with the sovereign coin, which by the king was worth 1 pound of silver. Except, clipping the edges off the coin started happening, devaluing them, creating debasement. So if we skip ahead many years, we have what's called fractionally backed currency and fiat currency. Fractionally backed meant there was less money, gold than money, and fiat currency meant that there was no gold backing the currency at all. And then a banker realized that not everyone would come take all their money at once, which allowed for something called fractional reserve lending, which meant that some money could be loaned out. This creates the money creation process. Banks have to keep a certain amount in their reserve ratio. The rest can be invested. The reserve ratio is used for when people need to come take money out. That way the bank has some stored. The bank, for example, loans me 10 grand. I then spend that money so it goes back to the bank. They keep 10% in the reserve, loaning out 9, which goes back to the bank. They then keep 10%, they loan out 8,100, and from this money creation process, we get 2,700 bucks just from that original 10 grand. There's many banking options, from BMO to ING, but to us they're very similar. To Canadian government, they're worlds apart. There's chartered banks like BMO, TD, CIBC, and there's non-chartered banks, credit unions like Coast Capital or Island Savings. Then we have the money supply. M1 is all the currency and checkable deposits in the chartered banks. M2 is M1 plus all of the non-checkable deposits in the chartered banks. And M2 plus is M2 plus all the deposits in non-chartered banks, which means MS is the total currency to use in the economy. Thank you. The letter M.